TCP/IP layers. The purpose of the layers is to keep things standardized, without numerous hardware and software vendors having to manage communication on their own. The 4 layers of TCP/IP. TCP/IP is a data link protocol that is used on the Internet. Its model is split into 4 distinct layers. Used together, they can also be referred to as a suite of protocols. TCP/IP Data Link Layer. This layer is also called the link layer, network interface layer, or physical layer, which handles the physical parts of sending and receiving data, using the Ethernet cable, wireless network, network interface card, device driver in the computer, and so on. TCP/IP Internet Layer. The Internet layer, which is also called the network layer, controls the movement of packets around the network. TCP/IP Transport Layer. The transport layer is what provides a reliable data connection between 2 devices. It divides the data in packets, acknowledges the packets that it has received from the other device, and makes sure that the other device acknowledges the packets it receives. TCPIP Application Layer. The application layer is the group of applications that require network communication. This is what the user typically interacts with, such as email and messaging. Because the lower layers handle the details of communication, the applications don't need to concern themselves with this. TCPIP and IP address. Does TCPIP work with all types of IP address? There are several kinds of IP addresses. But whatever type of IP address you employ, it uses TCPIP. In fact, TCPIP comes as a standard, and is the most commonly used protocol suite on the web. TCPIP Model. Now this is an overview of the TCPIP model. The first layer is the application layer. The second layer is the transport layer. The third layer is the network layer. And the lowest, which is the 4th layer, is the data link and physical layer. TCPIP Application Layer protocols provide services to the application software running on a computer. For example, Application Protocol HTTP defines how web browsers can pull the contents of a web page from a web server. In short, the application layer provides an interface between software running on a computer and the network itself. Although many TCP/IP application layer protocols exist, the TCP/IP transport layer includes a smaller number of protocols. The 2 most commonly used transport layer protocols are the Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, and the User Datagram Protocol, UDP. Transport layer protocols provide services to the application layer protocols that reside 1 layer higher in the TCP/IP model. The TCP/IP network layer includes a small number of protocols, but only one major protocol, the Internet Protocol, IP. IP provides several features, most importantly, addressing and routing. The TCP/IP model's data link and physical layers define the protocols and hardware required to deliver data across some physical network. The physical layer defines the cabling and energy. For example, electrical signals that flow over the cables. Some rules and conventions exist when sending data over the cable. However, those rules exist in the data link layer of the TCP/IP model. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and it was informative. If so, don't forget to give it a like and a nice comment also. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe too, if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching.